Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a little trick. You may not know about it. Windows 10 has now this little feature what could be useful. It was useful in my case and it is useful. That's now to do with your clipboard or how you manage your copy and paste. So Windows actually lets you copy and paste and keep it in memory multiple items, but by default this is disabled. So now I'm gonna show you how you can enable that and use it. So right click on your desktop, go to your display settings, and on your left now go down as far as clipboard and click on it. And you can see clipboard history there, where you can save multiple items, blah 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 blah. Read that through, of course, and you can turn it on now and close that. And the way it works, you have to press your Windows key plus V. So if you don't have Windows key, my keyboard doesn't. My keyboard has a kind of a start button there, so press that and plus V. So I'm gonna create a little text document here to show you how it works. I'm gonna type in text 1 and text 2 and now text 3. This is just so you can understand how it works. So now I'm gonna copy them. Copy 1, copy 2 and copy 3. And we go a bit down now, and I'm gonna show you how you can paste them. So just press your Windows key plus V on your keyboard, and you can see all of them what you copied are now here. So you can choose whatever one you want to use. Just for a sample, I'm gonna go from 3 to 1. It's just, you know, and don't forget it's Windows plus V, and that will bring you up this little clipboard screen there. And every time you press on it, that will just put in the text. It's actually very handy when you're busy enough and you're copying and pasting multiple items. So hopefully now anyone finds this helpful. It was actually quite helpful for me because I'm lazy and I tend to copy and paste a lot of it. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, if it was helpful, thumbs up, subscribe, and you know what? Have a good life. Bye bye.